FastAPI is a modern and fast web framework for building APIs with Python. We'll create a simple products REST API that communicates through HTTP requests to perform standard functions like create, read, update, and delete records, also known as CRUD operations. We are on Python package index page. Let's see what we have to do in order to create our products API. First step is to install FastAPI, so open a terminal and do that. Next we need this main.py module, so let's switch to VS Code. Here I already created a project with this app package, which contains a main.py module. So we have to create an object from FastAPI class and use it to implement our CRUD operations. We start by implementing a function to read the root. So we type in app dot and now we have access to functions like delete, get, post, put or others. Call get function with those parameters and return this dictionary with a message like this. Now let's look at how we can get all the products for our API. I want to mention that we are not going to retrieve the products from a database or anything like this, and we will keep all our products in memory in a list of products. We will start by looking at models. Models are simply classes which inherit from Pydantic base model and define fields. Here we have such a sample, so let's do something similar to our product API. We define a product class which inherits from base model and it has three fields: ID, name and price. Back to main module, let's call app.get with products endpoint. And response module is a list of products. Let's define our list of products and give it a default product just like this. And now we can go back to our products function and return all the products we have. Let's continue. We want to create a GET request for a given product ID. So we implement something similar with the above, only that we have a product ID parameter. And we have to search in all the products to see if we find the given product ID, or we raise an HTTP exception if the product is not found. Next is a post request. This time we call the app.post, and the same we define the endpoint and the response module. This time we will get the product as a parameter, and here, for example, we can do something like this. We get the maximum product ID from all the products we have and increase it by 1. Then we assign this value to the current product we want to create and add it to our products list. Then just return the product we have created. Next is a put request. We call app.put, define the endpoint and the response module. As for parameters, we have the product ID and the product with the new values. Afterwards, we try to find the product in our products list and to update it. If not, we raise a product not found HTTP exception. And finally, we implement the delete request, define the endpoint and the response module, pass the product ID parameter, and if this is present in the products list, we just delete it. Or if not, we raise a 404. And we are done with the implementation. To run the server, we can run something like this. In terminal, type in FastAPI, dev, and because our main module is under this app package, type in app/main.py and hit enter. Application startup complete. We have here two URLs, so let's click on the first one. The server is running and we get back our root message. The second one is for API docs and we see the automatic interactive API documentation provided by Swagger UI. Let's try each request, get products, we get back the default product, post product, add here a name and a price and give it a try. We get back the product was created. Then we have get product, update products. Let's open this one and update the previous product we just added. And of course delete. Let's try and delete the product ID too, just like this. And that's all. Thank you for your time and see you in the next one. Bye.